Hello everyone, welcome to Opportune. My name is Eva, and in today's lesson we are going to look at the commonly used charts and visualization in Power BI. The first chart we're going to look at is the bar chart. This is used to display information in a bar format. In our first chart we have two items displayed, that is the sum of the units sold in the city. You can also add another item in your legend and have it either stacked or clustered, where in stacked, the item on the legend is put on one bar, and in clustered, each bar represents the item on the legend. You can also have the 100% stacked bar chart, where the 100% is the item on the x-axis, and then the item on the legend is split to represent a portion of the 100%. The next chart we're going to look at is the column chart. This works as a bar chart, but now in a different orientation. As you can see, here we have the two items and the three either stacked in a cluster or they are 100%. The other chart we're going to look at is the pie and the donut chart. The pie chart displays information in a circular form, where each pie, that is a fraction of the value. One thing to note about pie charts: the item that you put in your legend should not have too much information, since your pie chart will have so many colors, and that is not good for your visualization. The donut chart, as you can see, has better readability, since you can add a card at the middle. The visual we use here in the middle is called a card. The other type of a chart we're going to cover is the line chart and the area chart. These are good when you want to display trends and patterns, especially over a period of time. And here we have used another visualization of a slicer that you can use to either select a certain period that you want to display only. We also have tables and matrix, and a table is used to display data in a grid format and give you a relationship between two items. And in this case, we are looking at the men's apparel against the unit sold. While a matrix is used to display information of more than two items, and in this case we are looking at the month, the product, and the unit sold. Also, the information displayed here is in a grid format. We also have visualizations of KPIs. These are used to communicate progress toward a certain goal. Another type of a visualization we're going to look at is the scatter chart. This is also good when displaying trends and patterns over a certain time or a certain value. Here you can use the play component of a scatter chart, but we're not going to use it in this tutorial. The other chart that you're going to look at is the funnel chart. And the funnel is used to display processes that have sequential connected stages. In this case, you can see the units sold taken as 100%, and how each retailer has performed from the most sales to the least sales. The next chart we are going to look at is the decomposition tree. And the decomposition tree allows you to display value in multiple dimensions and view it in each dimension. In this case, you have sum of total sales. And from the total sales, you can see the men's street footwear sales. From this, we can see the sales from the Sports Direct. And from this, you can drill down further and see the sales of each state in the Sports Direct under men's street footwear. The last chart we are going to look at is the field map. And the field map shows area portion of a location in a map. And in this case, we have the state. That is going to be the end of this lesson. And in the next lesson, we are going to look at merging tables and creating relationships and when to use each in Power BI. Until then, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.